My name is Prem Prakash and welcome to my channel Simple Easy Python. Today I am going to discuss the last problem from the problem set 0 tip calculator of CS50's introduction to programming with Python. Before I start this video, I would like to make this one thing very clear, that I do not encourage plagiarism. Please try to write the code in your own way if you want to be proficient in Python. Second thing is that I have already cleared and obtained the certification for this examination, this course. So I am not going to write the code into the code spaces that have been provided by the VS Code. Instead, I am going to use VS Code. But please be assured that I am going to test all the cases that have been given over here by the CS50. Now let us look at the problem. If you look at the problem structure here, the problem says that in the United States, it is customary to leave a tip for your server after dining in a restaurant, typically an amount equal to 15% or more of your meal's cost. So here is the program that is going to prompt the user for the cost of the meal, and then again second thing, it is going to prompt the user for the what is the percentage that you would like to leave for the tip, and you as the programmer need to calculate the tip here by multiplying dollar into tip and then format it something like this. You can see it here how the formatting would be. So formatting is that it must be prefixed with dollar sign and it should be up to 2 decimal places. So how do we do it? So let us jump into the problem now straight away. And let me copy this code. Why reinvent the wheel when it is already there? Let us copy it. Wonderful. I have already copied it over here. Here our friend, how do we if you see the problem, it is asking, if you see this demo that is given over here, the cost of the meal, it is to be prefixed with dollar sign and the percentage need to be suffixed with percent. And if we look at the program, what it does, it say is that tip is equal to dollar into percent. So with the signs, dollar sign and the percent sign, we cannot multiply. So we have to get, the first thing is that we need to get rid of those signs. How do we get rid of those signs? So let us see it over here. There are a couple of ways that you can do that, but here I am going to discuss the way that is most easiest one. Most easiest, is it a word? I think easiest is the word. Anyway, so the stir method comes with some of the methods. Stir, remove prefix and remove suffix. This is what I am going to use. So I have defined here a variable called dollar without dollar sign. D, remove prefix. What prefix we need to remove here? We need to put a dollar sign, and we can convert it into a float here. Let us convert it into float, and then we got to return this value, return without dollar sign. Similarly, here also what we can do is that we can define another variable without percent sign is equal to p is the value that is being passed. Here we are going to use remove suffix. What is the suffix? It is the percent sign, and again here we can use the float to remove it, not to remove it, convert it into float, and we can return without percent sign. This is it. Let us try to run this code, but first I need to save it. Python tip.py. Jump back here. What is the first amount that it is asking us to check out? It is $50 and percent is 15 dollar, 50 and 15%. Oh, here is the problem. Now the problem here is with the percent thing. Before we read, so let me divide it by 100 and clear the terminal. Run this program one more time. How much was the meal? $100 percent. How much percent it is? 15 per dollar. Here you see. Okay. So, okay, did I give 100? And here it was 50. Okay, let me try one more time with the value that is given over here. It is given here $50 and 15%. $50, is it in floats or simple? Okay, it is in float, and 15%, $7.50. Second one is to $100 is the cost of the meal and 18% is the tip. Run it again. $100, 18% is the tip, $18, which is matching with here. Leave 18%, it is coming exactly as it is. Last one is $15 is the cost of the meal and 25% is the tip value. $15 and 25%. Leave $3.75, which is matching here. So this was it. It was not that difficult, but in fact, let me come back to here. In fact, we do not need these two lines here. In fact, we can change these two functions into a single line. What we can do here is that we can copy this whole stuff from here, making it as comment, and we simply return it like this. Similarly, here as well, we can do copy it, remove this part and paste it over here. Yeah, let's test it one more time. $100 and 18%, 18, $50 and it was let's say go with 15%. The last one was, how much was it? Let us check it out. It was where it is here. Yeah, it is $15 is the cost of the meal and 25% is the tip. So $15 is the cost of the meal and 25% here. In fact, if you do not want to use this remove prefix or remove suffix, it can be the same result can be achieved using the string slicing as well, using the slicing method. But since it was not discussed in this chapter, I have not gone that route. What I will do is that I am going to put that code using the string slicing into the description. So this is what I always say, is that one problem can be solved in multiple ways. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are pursuing this course, and consider subscribing my channel. Till that time, happy coding.